goodness. You can see the rain coming on the other side of the field. Look at that. It's raining like hell in their house. The neighbor's house across the road. Ah! We gotta get the chickens. We gotta get the bitties. Let's not corral them into the y'all get in there. Get in there. What are y'all doing? Oh my goodness. Get in there. Get in there. Come on. Get in there. It's cold. Cold rain. Oh, it's cold rain. Oh, my phone's there. You got little. Oh! Oh my goodness.
Oh, sorry, little daddy.
Get them, babe. Get them. All right, they're coming back to you. What you mean, go chickens?
What in the world? What in the world? Okay, wait.
Teamwork.
Okay, get him. Get him. Oh, my goodness.
Whoa, he fast. She fast.
Oh, look at it. Hey, babe, get him. I got him.
You got him.
I got one.
Good job, man. Oh, we got a little tail. Oh. Hey. Yeah, babe. Storm coming. I got it.
Last chicken.
Was it? Let's see here. We got 6 yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue ones. 2 light-skinned ones, 2 dark-skinned ones, 1 afro, and 3 baby australorps. Let's go.
That's gonna get big.
That's what it's gonna be. Oh my goodness. Storm. Ah, shoot. Okay, you got it. We was in there cooking and I kept hearing some. Oh my goodness, my windows are down. Hurry up. Come on. It's not a game. Come on. What do you mean? You slinging the chickens around? Hey, click your heels together. There's no place like home. Come on. Oh my goodness, that was just animal cruelty. Ooh, that house smells good. Yeah, I know it's a storm coming. All right, everybody good. Y'all good? We're gonna add some more shavings. What in the world? Cussing like a sailor. Gotta get cooked. Potatoes and onions. I cooked too now. I don't know what you thought. Thought I was gonna grow all this stuff and not know how to cook it. Woo-wee. I'm gonna put the top right up on that. Slightly. Hey! Gotta go right now. Gotta go. Gotta go put the roll the window. Hey, teamwork make the dream work. She rolling them windows up for me. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome.
You rolled the other one up?
I feel like it's so fast.
Well, I gotta put that dog food in the back so it don't get wet. Here, you get the audience.
Alright, this who we have in the audience. I have that audience. That's Space. Then we got, oh wow. Wait, Megan. We got Faith. We got Magic. We got Storm. We got Biscuit. I forgot Curry. Oh my god, I have forgot Curry's name. Yeah, it is. I thought I locked your door. Babe, the storm is leaving. The storm is leaving. We did all that work with the chickens for nothing.
We gotta get the shades down there before we put it back in there. That way. They have
Damn. Why didn't you put this bag on the back of your truck?
You're supposed to put it on the back of my truck.
But you took it out.
From where? When I take the bag out?
I didn't bring that bag out. I did not bring that bag
I don't
out.
think I took the bag out either. Here goes some water. We got you up out that rain. Yes, we did. Now your mama can sweep the floor. You gonna sweep that floor, right?
No.